Being awarded, it is both an honor and pride for our municipality. It serves as our motivation and our inspiration to work harder and to perform better.
Ang Seal of Good Education Governance ay napaka-importanting award. Hindi lang siya inspiration, ngunit isa itong tool na masasabi natin na ang inyong LGU ay moving toward education excellence.
The seal, it motivates us to do more in the academic sector.
Una ay yung re-engineering, yung ating local school board. Sinusugurado namin na mayroong budget or kaukulang halaga na nandoon sa aming 20% development fund para po sa pagpapatayo ng mga school buildings.
Ang sikreto lang is that yung aming tri-people governance. Naniniwala kami na sabi nga po, it takes a village to raise a child. We always use the multi-sectoral approach.
And this is backed also by an ordinance that institutionalized the provision of subsidy to all learners in the elementary level and in the junior high school.
Number one na yung subsidy na binibigay sa mga bata sa elementary and both public and private. And then number two, nandyan yung reading program natin. Libreng access sa internet, zero dropout, Brigada Eskwela.
When we devolve education to LGUs, mas magiging responsive po yung mga magiging programa. Equitable funding from the national government must be downloaded to the local government.
So it would be better if the LGU is the one who determines the needs of its academic sector, of its learners,
Upang lalo nating ma-maintain or ma-sustain yung ating mga proyekto, no? So mayroon tayong local school board na magmo-monitor.
Positive side, una ay magkakaroon na ng mas closer na relationship.
Tuloy-tuloy ang award pag tuloy-tuloy ang suporta ng LGU ng UPI sa mga paaralan.
Thank you so much, Sinergia.
Seize the day!